Hi there and good evening. This is Scott at Scott Trades on Twitter with StockMarketMentor.com and your chart of the day. Want to bring your attention back to Uber. This is ticker UBER. So for the last couple of days here, Uber has been pulling back to support, and it found it today right around this red line. That's the 50-day moving average. Now, I love when stocks bounce off the 50-day moving average and do it on higher than average volume, which is exactly what we had here today. So I told our members at StockMarketMentor.com, Uber looking pretty good. Actually think it's actionable here today as long as you have a stop under that 50-day moving average. Now, I would watch Uber for some continuation. Every time in the past when it bounces off the 50-day moving average, you usually get a little bit of a follow-through. Don't know if that's going to be one day like it was over here or 2 days like it was over here. So this is definitely a stock that I want you to keep an eye on. I would probably have an alert on this right around that 47.75, maybe 48 level, depending on the open tomorrow, and then look for a strong follow-through coming on higher than average volume. I really like that when it did pull back, it was pulling back pretty sharply, but it was pulling back on just average volume. So it wasn't a big sell-off. It was more like a natural reaction or a natural consolidation. So Uber should definitely be on your watch list. It's on ours over at StockMarketMentor.com. I'll see you next time.